Hey, welcome back. It's Jason Walter here. In today's video, I'm going to discuss how this pandemic is affecting our real estate market for brand new home developments. And stick to the end of this video because I'm going to discuss what's needed in order to have a more healthy real estate market. By the way, if you're new here, then welcome. I post videos about how this pandemic is affecting our real estate market as well as personal finance topics. So I invite you to subscribe to the channel and join the family, and also hit the like button if you appreciate real estate market updates just like this one. Let's dive right into the video. So we already know that we have record high home prices across the nation, and we also have record high home prices in California for the fourth month in a row. In addition, houses are selling very quickly as well. So for example, in California, the median days it takes to sell a house is only 11 days right now. This is more than twice as fast as last year, and it's a new record low. Plus, total housing inventory across the US is down 18.6% from 1 year ago. And in Sacramento County, where I live and work as a real estate agent, our active listing inventory is down a whopping 49.7% compared to last year. Lastly, mortgage interest rates are at record low levels right now. So according to Freddie Mac, the average for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage is only 2.81%. That's the lowest rate in their survey's history, which dates back to 1971. Due to this pandemic, many are flocking to the suburbs and more affordable areas where people can buy a single-family home with more space inside and out. With more work-at-home arrangements, more people want an office space inside their house and also a larger backyard because more time is being spent at the home right now. This means there's a higher demand for single-family houses because multifamily properties like condos and townhomes, for example, have little to no yard typically. And I'll discuss that here in just a little bit. So here's my point. All this combined is a winning combination for home builders right now. We have record high home prices. We have high buyer demand, especially in the suburbs where home builders tend to build houses. We also have very low housing inventory. In addition, we have record low interest rates. So what more could a home builder ask for? Therefore, according to the National Association of Home Builders, home builder confidence is at an all-time high right now. And brand new home sales are outpacing housing starts by historic margins. For example, sales of houses that have not begun construction yet are 69% higher than a year ago. So this means that home buyers are placing deposits down on dirt. In other words, there's an increase of demand from home buyers who are placing deposits on houses that haven't even begun construction yet. And typically it takes about 3 to 9 months to build a house. So how have home builders reacted to this current real estate environment? And the answer is they started building more houses. So developers are starting to build single family houses at the fastest pace we've seen since 2007. And let me break down the numbers for you. According to the US Census Bureau's announcement yesterday, building permits for single family houses increased 7.8% compared to the prior month and increased a whopping 24.3% compared to 1 year ago. However, what's really interesting to note is a shift away from multifamily properties, at least from home builders right now. So take a look at residential building permits for 5 units or more. Those are down a staggering 22.2% compared to 1 year ago. So clearly home builders are looking to capitalize on the demand for single family houses right now and not so much for multifamily buildings. We're seeing this for housing starts as well, which is basically the beginning of the construction phase. So for example, housing starts for single family homes increased 8.5% compared to the prior month and increased a whopping 22.3% compared to 1 year ago. In contrast, housing starts of 5 or more units dropped 17.4% compared to 1 year ago. To summarize, home builders are ramping up their construction of new single-family homes to meet the demand from home buyers right now. In addition, we need an influx of inventory right now in order to sustain a healthy real estate market and also to have a more balanced ratio of home buyers and home sellers. Without an increase of inventory levels, home prices will continue to increase, and that will cause affordability issues. So what are your thoughts about this? Please comment below. Also, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. And also, don't forget, click on the link below because for a limited time, WeBull is giving away 2 free stocks, with each of those being valued up to $1,600 when you deposit at least $100 on their platform within 30 days of signing up. You also can follow me on Instagram. I'm Sacramento Realtor. Hope you have an awesome day, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.